Welcome to this YouTube video on the advantages and disadvantages of email marketing. In today's digital age, email marketing has become an increasingly popular method for business to reach out to their customers and promote their products or services. However, like any marketing strategy, there are both pros and cons to using email marketing. In this video, we will explore the benefits of email marketing, such as its cost effectiveness and ability to reach a wide audience, as well as its drawbacks, such as the potential for spamming and low open rates. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of whether email marketing is the right strategy for your business. So let's dive in. First, let's start with the advantages of email marketing. Compared to other marketing channels, email marketing is relatively inexpensive. You can create and send emails to a large number of people at a very low cost. Email marketing has a high return on investment. It generates a lot of revenue for business compared to the amount spent on it. Email marketing allows you to send personalized messages to your subscribers based on their preferences, behaviors, and interests. Email marketing is highly measurable. You can track open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and other metrics to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Email marketing allows you to target specific segments of your audience with tailored messages. This helps to increase the relevancy of your messages and improve engagement rates. Okay, but what are disadvantages of email marketing? If you send too many emails or irrelevant messages, your subscribers may mark your emails as spam. This can damage your sender reputation and result in your emails being blocked or filtered. People have a limited attention span and receive numerous emails every day. It can be challenging to capture their attention and stand out from the crowd. Email lists decay over time as people change their email addresses, unsubscribe, or stop using their email accounts. This can reduce the effectiveness of your campaigns over time. Email marketing requires technical skills and knowledge to create, design, and send emails that are compatible with different email clients and devices. Email marketing is subject to legal regulations such as CAN spam. Failing to comply with these regulations can result in penalties and damage your reputation. So, what's the conclusion? Email marketing can be a powerful tool for businesses looking to connect with their customers and increase sales. It's cost-effective, efficient, and can reach a large audience. However, there are also potential downsides to email marketing, such as the risk of being marked as spam, low open rates, and the need to comply with regulations like GDPR and CAN spam. To make the most of email marketing, businesses should focus on building a targeted email list of engaged subscribers, crafting compelling subject lines and content, and using analytics to track performance and refine their strategy over time. By taking these steps and being mindful of the advantages and disadvantages of email marketing, businesses can leverage this tool to boost this bottom line and build stronger relationships with their customers. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find this video really helpful.